So, hi guys. Uh, I'm Alphonse Junior Des, based by HRM third year. So, I belong to the Group 6, HRM 304, Personal Finance. So, in this video, let's talk about the step-by-step strategies for buying life insurance. So, next. So, since we all know that word insurance, familiar na kita guys. So, life insurance is a contract between an insurance policy holder and a insurer or assurer, where the insurer promises to pay a designated beneficiary. So, just like kung siya guys, kanang return money for a premium. So, upon the death of an insured person, no. So, an insurance policy holder and insurer or assurer into an arrangement in which the insurer agrees to pay a specified beneficiary an amount of money in return for a premium in the insurance individual dies. So that we have two life insurance example. So term life insurance and whole life insurance. So term life insurance, which lasts a set number of years, then expires as the best choice for majority of shoppers. It's much more affordable than and less complicated than a whole life insurance, which stays in effect for as long as you pay the premium. So term insurance, the policies are so kung siya guys affordable than the other types of life insurance, no. So that's because gamit siya premium cost. So no hidden fees, exclusion or risk, can cancel the policy before it expires without losing any value. Most affordable option. So while the whole life insurance is a good fit if you're subject to the state tax, have special needs dependents, or are maxing out all your requirement accounts. Otherwise, term life is the way to go. Learn more about term versus all life insurance. So all life insurance, on the other hand, is a type of permanent life insurance because it does not expire. It has a death benefit and a cash value, so which is an investment like tax deferred saving account that is included in the policy. So it doesn't expire, so you can keep it for as long as necessary. So the cash value component is useful for estate planning and work as force saving vehicle. Next, calculate how much coverage to buy. Tack on a little extra for expenses your loved ones might have to pay after you die, like funeral costs. So buying a life insurance policy is a smart move that ensures financial coverage for your loved ones. How much life insurance you need? It depends on personal and financial circumstances. So, but do you need enough to replace your income and cover your dependent current and future expenses? No. So, your life insurance coverage should cover your salary, dependents, debts, and other expenses. So, to calculate how much life insurance you need, subtract your assets from financial obligations. So once you calculate how much life insurance you need, so shop around with independent broker like the Policy Genius to get the best possible right now. The next, pick the length of your policy. So term life insurance is sold in a 5 years increment. So with the most common policies lasting 10 to 20 years. Your policy should last as long as you expect your family to rely on your income. So, life insurance policies, there's a term length. So, it's a policy duration or how long it will last until expiring. So, most term life insurance policies are 10, 20, or 30 years, but many companies offer additional 5 or 10 increments, sometimes up to 35 or 40 years term. So, a term length should cover all your financial obligation and outstanding debts. If you have a 20-year mortgage, then you'll want a 20-year term so that the mortgage payments are protected. Likewise, a 30-year term policy will cover you for 30 years if you die during that time. But your beneficiaries will receive a death benefit. But if you die after your policy runs out and you didn't get additional coverage or convert your term policy into a permanent policy, so your beneficiaries won't receive the death benefit. No? So your term life insurance policy should last as long as your financial obligation and outstanding debts. So if you don't purchase a long enough term length and need to buy more life insurance, so and then you can always cancel your policy at no additional cost if you purchase too long of term length. So next, compare life insurance costs. Life insurance rates are largely based on your age and your health, but some companies are more forgiving when it comes to certain illnesses, conditions, or habits. So it's important to shop around. So we can help you quickly compare costs across the major life insurance companies. So however, this component comes to a cost, and whole life policies substantially more expensive than term life. So this can be helpful for some complex financial situations, and most people won't benefit from the extra cost. No? So next, so fill out an application. After you get the costs, you need to provide more in-depth financial information and authorize your doctor to share your health information with the life insurer. You can keep the application process pretty seamless by having your driver license, proof of residency, and social security number on hand. So understanding this process is for obtaining the insurance that can help you get the coverage you need at the price you can afford. No? So this is important that you motokan ka tinuod if during the application process. No, that's very important. No. So next, so do your phone interview. So next, an agent will schedule a short phone call to confirm the contents of your application. So they'll ask questions about your habits, lifestyle, and financial, including your income and net worth. So they also schedule your medical exam. No? So naitay na to what to expect. So you can apply for the life insurance online, but eventually, no matter which company you choose, you still have to jump on a phone call to complete your life insurance application before moving onto the underwriting process. No? So The phone interview is used to verify your answer to the life insurance application questions. But don't worry, it's much easier than the job interview. And when you apply for life insurance through a non-commissions-based insurance broker like Policy Genius, you don't have to worry about being a star. So the phone interview can be a great opportunity to get some of your questions about their insurance answered, and if you find the right coverage amount. Now, so number 6, number 7. Next, take the medical exam. So the life insurance medical exam is essentially a physical. No? So a technician comes to your house, your workplace, to take basic measurements, height or weight, pulse, blood pressure, some blood and possibly so mugulat kaga it take about 30 minutes to urine sample. No? So most life insurance policies will require that your answer medical questions are and submit the medical exam. No? So alright, next. So sit back and relax. So all you just need to do is marabag chilling na kayo, no? So once your medical exam is complete, so an underwriter will use it as results along with your health records and financial information to approve or deny your policy and set your official premiums. So underwriting usually takes anywhere from 3 to 8 weeks. So if you get approved and like what you see, and that's left is for you to receive. So review and sign your policy. It officially becomes effective when you pay your first premium. So if you are happy with the final rates, your agent can help determine whether to reach out or ask for different policy. So that's all for the step-by-step strategies for buying life insurance. Thank you.